Hello viewers and welcome back again to Learn with Your Brains, and today is going to be so special because I'm going to introduce you to Microsoft Word document. We're going to learn all the process and how to master your Word document application and some hours, because it's going to be a long road, because I want you to understand every bit of Microsoft Word document so that you'll be able to use it to create some fancy and also some knowledgeable documentation, or anything you can come up to. You'll be able to use your Microsoft Word document to put it into a productive manner. Okay, so without wasting much time, as time goes on, people try to be so familiar with some applications, but they forget to learn how the interfaces of each application looks like. Whether you're learning Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Outlook, Access, and everything, you should be able to be familiarized with what the interface. So I'm going to show you something quick, or a kind of introduction to this Microsoft Word document, where I'm going to just introduce you to just the interface of Microsoft Word document, so that you'll be able to put those knowledge into the back of your mind, so that when you come across, you know what each and everything is doing right here. So without wasting my time, let me show you something. So when you come up here where we have the save, the undo button, and the rest, all this is called the quick access toolbar, or the QAT. Okay, this is what we call the QAT, the quick access toolbar. So you should put that into the back of your mind. And when we come down here where we have the file tab, the home tab, the insert, design, all these areas you could see here is all we call the ribbon. Okay, so this was introduced way back in 2007. So if you were using any Microsoft document before the 2007, it was using some drop down menu, which was kind of not looking pretty. But when they brought all these graphical interface called the ribbon, it makes sense now. People can just navigate through the tabs and try to do things on their own. So all this place, as you could see here, is what we call the ribbon in Microsoft Word document. And as I told you, this is what we call the quick access tool, or the QAT. Okay, and where you could see this white background, where we start typing our information on this A4 sheet paper right here, is called the main document of Microsoft. Okay, and when we come down here, you could see page 1 out of 1, which means I'm on the page 1 of this Microsoft Word document. And you could see a bit of some useful information down here. As you could see, we have some zoom toolbar here, where you can zoom in your document or zoom out your document. Okay, just like that. So down here is what we call the status bar. Okay, so this is the status bar. On the right corner is our scroll bar, where we try to scroll through our document to know what exactly each and every page is looking like, or the information which has been placed on each page as you scroll down through your A4 sheet document. So this brings us to the end of this introduction to Microsoft Word document, and I hope you've learned something new here. If you're a beginner, this has been so valuable to you. If you are advanced, I think this will be like a chipmunk for you. But without wasting my time, this brings us to the end of this tutorial. So in the upcoming tutorial, we are going to do more and more fatigue stuff. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and I'll see you soon. I'm still your co-instructor, Dr. Don from Learn with Your Brains. Learn with Your Brains, we learn a whole lot of stuff in the world of technology. Take care, I'll see you.